Hey there, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test for Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.67-inch endless edge display with FHD plus resolution. It comes with 144Hz refresh rate, 360Hz peak touch sampling rate and 1300 nits of brightness. It is a POLED display. As for performance, it comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with Adreno 730 GPU. It has up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Powering all this is 4610 mAh battery, and it comes with 125 watts turbo charger in the box. As for audio, it has dual stereo speakers and supports Dolby Atmos. Now here are Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side, battery is at 81%, there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front, it is 30 degrees. On the bottom, it is 30 degrees. On the back, it is 29 to 30 degrees. And on the bottom, it is 29 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Call of Duty. Let's look at graphics. Very high graphics and max frame rate are the highest setting available. There is also ultra frame rate, but it doesn't work with very high graphics. It automatically goes to low graphics. So I'll play in those settings again. But first, very high graphics and max frame rate. Let's get to the game.
Dog is inside. Enemy contact. Tango down. Dog is inside. Tango down.
Visuals are great, colors look great, details are pretty good. Controls are also pretty smooth and I couldn't notice any lag. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 37 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 38 degrees and on the bottom it is 36 degrees. It's been a total of 25 minutes and the battery came down to 76%. Phone feels slightly warm. So for approximately 25 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 5% of battery, which is good. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is running at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is showing 42 to 43 degrees, on the bottom it is 38 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 39 to 42 degrees, and on the bottom it is 37 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly hot, but it's not that hot. Now I will use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 454 photos in those 3 minutes, which is great. Anyway, there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. It has great performance, 144Hz display, comes with 125 watts turbo charger, it has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. So overall, it is giving a pretty great experience in every way possible. What do you think about this phone? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.